The death of a 32-year-old assistant police inspector posted at Shahu Nagar, Dharavi, a COVID-19 hotspot, has shaken the entire police force. Despite more than 1,000 COVID-19 cases, cops feel the Dharavi locals have not followed social distancing or any of the lockdown rules. And with the increase in cases, police have started fearing for their own safety. Midday spoke to some of the cops posted in Dharavi who spoke about their ordeal. A constable said that they work for 12 hours and have a 24-hour off. But despite several cases from Dharavi, the streets are always crowded and it becomes really difficult to control the crowd. When they ask people reasons for venturing out, everyone has an important reason, so they can't take action against such people. Cops say that they have become a mute spectator of the crowd now as the coronavirus cases continue to rise from Dharavi area, and they aren't sure how they will remain. A sub-inspector from Shahu Nagar said that they have been asked to take action against those who venture out for no reason. But this involves them going close to the locals and it might lead to the cops contracting the disease. The inspector says that the government should take a closer look at the situation and introduce strict rules. An officer from the Dharavi police station said that Dharavi has multiple openings. This results in people going out to other areas or others coming inside. This is one of the major reasons for the increase in cases. And with the police force being in close proximity with the locals, they are more prone to get the infection. He says that the government must consider Dharavi as a special case and make some different set of rules here. Or else, residents and cops will keep getting infected and the deaths are inevitable. With over 394 police personnel in Mumbai contracting the virus, it has claimed over 11 lives of police officials in the state. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.